Hello and welcome to the channel everyone, and to my subscribers, nice to have you back. I've now owned my Magimix food processor for just over 12 months and I have to say I'm still very pleased with it. When it comes to making light work of some of the more tedious preparation tasks, it does it with ease. Chopping onion. No watering eyes here. Needing a hand to make dough or pastry? Then here it is. With all the ingredients in the bowl, a few bursts on the pause button, and there you have a delicious chimichurri sauce. And the same goes for fish cakes and salmon burgers. When it comes to whipping cream, don't take your eyes off it, or you could end up with butter. Thinly slicing potatoes for one of my favourite dishes, pommes gratin dauphinoise. Layers of thinly sliced potato, seasoned and baked with cream and butter, makes a deliciously rich side dish. For lots more mouth-watering recipes, check out my cooking channel, The Barbecue Walk of Flame, and most of them can be cooked in the kitchen. As you can see, our kitchen is rather small, and there simply is just not enough space for the Magimix to live on the work surface. So one has to weigh up, is it worth getting it out of the cupboard and setting it up for a small task that could be quicker with a knife and create a lot less washing up. Today I'm making leek and potato soup, which will be most welcome on this cold, freezing winter's day. In the pot, simmering away in vegetable stock, I have diced potato, sliced leek and onion. After about 20 minutes cooking, I've let it cool a little, and I'm now going to blend it in the large bowl using the main blade and blender mix ring, which gives that lovely velouté texture. I've made about 2 pints of soup, so I'm having to blend it in batches. As I've found out, overfill it and you have one hell of a mess on your hands. Finally, stir in the cream, reheat, and there you have one delicious, tasty, comforting soup, made without too much effort, thanks to Magimix. Now, if this video has been useful, or there's anything more you'd like to know, please leave me a comment in the section below. All you have to do is sub the channel. Click the button, activate and ding the bell. Oh, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Now, here's a recipe recap. To sum up, I'm glad I purchased my Magimix. It's a sturdy, well-made machine, and with its help I've made bread, soups, burgers, barbecue sauce, mayo and much more. However, I do have one or two gripes. One, it would be nice to be able to put the bowls in the dishwasher. However, it is recommended they are washed by hand. A bottle brush is required to clean the inside of the blades. It's quite fiddly and the blades are extremely sharp. Also, one has to be meticulous when cleaning the discs, as tiny bits of food get stuck near the very sharp slicing blade. I have one regret, and that is that I didn't buy the larger model, because when it comes to batch cooking, the Magimix comes into its own. Well, that's all for now, so it's goodbye from me and thanks for watching.